friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today, let's check out how to make milk powder at home. Yes, you heard it right, we're going to make milk powder at home. It's a very simple and easy procedure that you can follow and make milk powder with good quality milk. You can preserve this milk powder in an airtight container and use it for a month's time. Let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat 1 liter milk in a pan. You can go with any type of milk that you regularly use at home. When the milk comes to a boil, have your flame in medium and start stirring. When the milk has reduced to half, stir it occasionally. Now it has reduced a little more. Keep mixing continuously. Your milk is now nice and thick, so simmer the flame and continue mixing. Now you have the perfect folding consistency, so off the flame and allow it to cool completely. Now it's nice and cool, pull out a small portion and roll it. Level it using your palm and place it in a wide plate. Grease your hands if it's a little sticky. Repeat the same for all and keep it ready. Give it a nice sun bath for 3 hours. It's been 3 hours now, it's nice and dry now. Transfer it to a mixie jar. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and grind it to a very fine powder. Sieve it and your homemade milk powder is now ready to use. Store it in an airtight container and enjoy it with your family and friends for a month's time. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.